This is a Rationel entrance door. We're going to look today at a few common things that we can do to adjust entrance doors to get them working really nicely. The first thing that commonly happens is that the handles get a little bit wobbly, and this is easily fixed using the grub screw. Using a 3mm Allen key, we can remove the grub screw from the handle. And just check that it's got Loctite on it. If necessary, we can add a little bit more Loctite. And then pop it back in and make sure that it's tight. So now that it's nice and tight, the handle's much more firmly connected to the spindle.